What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Avalanche, also known as Avax, which has gone for an increase in value. Nothing too crazy, it is up 10%, currently valued at $47 guys. So we're going to be going through what is next for the crypto. Is it going to keep hitting red candles over the coming week, especially that Bitcoin has finally hit a new all-time high over $72,000 guys. So I am expecting a strong outcome from the crypto market over the coming week and over the coming days as well, and mainly focusing on Avalanche. Can it go past $50 and potentially head even higher than that over the next for March and April? And also looking at its prediction for the rest of the year, how high and how low can it go? Is this a crypto to be investing into right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we are also going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and as usual we do have the purple line here at the top running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Avalanche, which is here in purple at $41.32. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red at over $46 guys, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are looking quite bullish. We got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the positive direction. However, they are also looking quite steep guys. Reason they're looking so steep is because of the pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming hours, which is not the case, and it's not as realistic as it seems either. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Avalanche to have gone for a minimal increase in value, heading just around $48 is what I'm expecting. But reason I'm not expecting it to go higher than that is because I'm also expecting red candles in between, little dips in between, just like what's been taking place over the last few hours here. It is likely to drop back down below $46 over the coming hours, and then hit green candles again later on this afternoon, evening time, heading up to around $48 in target is what I'm expecting. So do expect it to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome does seem to be more slightly on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, again, as you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are again looking quite steep guys, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems once again. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of the week and early next week, I'm expecting the crypto to be hovering around $48 as well. Reason being is I'm not expecting any major pumps from the crypto. I'm expecting dips as well, red days over the coming days by midweek. So quite volatile, up and down, but the overall outcome fluctuating around its current price range is what I'm expecting. And yes, it does have the chance to pump up to around $50 as well. However, the overall outcome does seem to be more on the neutral side, hovering around $48. Moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So now we're not looking as steep as the previous chart. We are looking quite realistic here. we got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from DNT over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So late April, early May 2024, I'm expecting the crypto to be hovering around $60 to $63, somewhere around that price range. So yes, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting, but again, in between that time, I'm also expecting it to hit red candles, going for a little bit of a dip, price correction, as that is always part of the process. But what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale, guys. As you guys can see, we are literally trading in the blue zone right now. We have broken out earlier this morning from the green zone into the blue zone here. However, it has not resisted, meaning it is likely to drop down into the green zone over the coming days and then pump back up into the blue zone by towards the end of the week and early next week. So do expect it to be quite volatile with red and green candles and fluctuating between the green and blue zone, but again, at the moment it seems to be more on the positive side, and by April May time, I'm expecting it to head into this zone here even higher, and potentially hitting the top tier level here in the second half of the year is what my expectations are at the moment. However, if you guys do want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And also, if you guys want more updates on other cryptocurrencies, comment down below. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has gone up over 130% in the last 24 hours, making it over $1 billion in trading, guys, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded. Not just that, but a huge percentage increase, guys. It's gained a lot of attention and a lot of hype around it, meaning more and more people have started to trade Avalanche from both buyers and sellers point of view, which in return is also helping the value of the crypto pump up even higher. So as you guys can see, over the week it has been quite volatile, and over the month as well it's been up and down, and overall it is still up 22%. Let me know in the comment section down below how high are you guys expecting Avalanche to be going in 2024. And yes, I'm expecting it to get very close to the $100 mark, potentially even hitting $100 by Q4 of 2024 is what my expectations are at the moment, but I will keep you guys updated on that if there are any major changes. So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot. That means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.